Are you wondering how you can add a drop shadow in Illustrator? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Hi there everyone, my name is Andrei Marius. I've been working in Illustrator for over 10 years, and in this Envato Tuts Plus tutorial, I'll put my experience to use as I teach you all that you need to know about drop shadows in Adobe Illustrator. Before we begin, make sure to check out Envato Elements, where with a simple subscription you can get unlimited access to millions of creative digital assets such as music, graphics, photos, fonts, and many more. You can subscribe right now with the link in the description. To apply a drop shadow effect in Illustrator, all you have to do is select the shape and go to Effect, Stylize and Drop Shadow, which will open this new window where you can set the settings for your drop shadow effect. Make sure that you have this preview box checked to get a live preview with the applied effect and to notice any changes that you choose to make as we continue. Starting from the top, using this drop-down menu, you can change the blend mode for your drop shadow effect. You can click a desired blend mode, or you can use the up or down arrow keys to toggle between different blend modes until you get the one that fits your design. For this design, we'll use overlay, and let's continue to opacity. This value controls the transparency of your drop shadow effect. You can hover the cursor over this value and roll the mouse wheel to adjust the value. You can use these arrow buttons to increase or decrease the opacity. Holding down the shift key as you click these buttons will increase or decrease the value by 10%, or you can simply enter the value that's perfect for your design. For this example, we'll keep it at 50%. The X and Y offset settings control the location of your drop shadow effect. The X offset moves your drop shadow horizontally, while the Y offset moves your drop shadow vertically. If you wish to move your drop shadow up or to the left, all you have to do is set negative values. For this example, we'll set both of these values to 15%. The blur setting controls the blurriness of your shadow. You can set this to 0 to add a sharp shadow, or you can increase it whenever you wish to add a bigger shadow. Let's increase it to 20 pixels and continue with the color. Just click this color wheel whenever you wish to change the color of your drop shadow. For this example, we'll keep it black. Check this darkness box and the color of your drop shadow will be determined by the fill color of your shape. Set this value to 0% if you wish to use for your shadow the same color that's used for the fill, or increase the value whenever you wish to use a darker shade of this fill color. When you are happy with the end result, you can click OK and your drop shadow effect will show up in the appearance panel. Finally, keep in mind that you can always edit this effect. Just click it, make the changes that you need, click OK to apply the changes, and that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to hit that like button as it helps me know that I did a good job. Subscribe if you aren't already, and don't forget to click the little bell icon to be notified of any new tutorials. I'm Andrei Marius, and I'll see you in the next video.